There's a bird up there in that tree. Wait, hear that? Don't know what it is. See it right there. Let's see if I can put my glasses on, guys and gals. There's, hear that? What is that? Just got dive bombed. I just broke my glasses. God damn it, all the hell. You know how many pairs of glasses I got with one eyebrow? I got 2 ears. Hear it? Where is it and what is it? You see that little bird in the middle of the screen? I never heard that noise. It's been here for a couple of days. Interesting. I'll walk out there. Maybe it'll fly. What happens in the hood, things happen. Stop talking now. I don't think I'm pointing at it anymore. Dang it, did I put my head down and it flew away when I walked away? Now I can't see it anymore. Different angle. Goddamn this bird hunting shit. Did you see it fly away? It's a bitch when you gotta watch where you're walking. I think it's gone now, or I can't remember where it was. Do not see it now. Oh yeah, I do. Wrong tree I'm looking at. Okay, go back. There, it made that noise again. That's a different kind of noise that I've ever heard. Hear it? It's in that big tree. You can get under there and figure it out. I gotta put my one-eyed brown glasses on. Listen to it. What is it? Is it just a dove or something I've never heard make that noise? Maybe I'm looking at the wrong bird. There it is, right there. It is in that dead old tree. Where'd it go? Speak. Okay, that's the tree on the right. That's dead. It's at the very top in the center of the screen. Ted, stop. Pretty sure that's it. I can't tell, guys and gals. It's in one of the trees somewhere. It won't budge. Oh, I just saw movement. There it is. I think it's that giant woodpecker. Where the hell are you guys? It's the giant woodpecker, guys and gals. It's right in the middle of the screen. It's moving ever so slightly, and I'm shaking like a leaf. I'm doing everything I can to hold still. I'm pretty sure it, yeah, I saw red. Did you see it? I'm shaking like a leaf, and we're at 5 times zoom, so that's 5 times magnified. And come on. I think so. Stay, Ted. I can't stabilize anymore, guys and girls. I've got to bring my stick when I come out here and have it close by. Maybe I can zoom less. Stop shaking. It is that woodpecker. I'm sorry you guys can't see it. I can't see it anymore either. There, I just saw it move a little. I've seen its red head once. Let me try to get back on it for you guys. Gales. See her? Right there. The woodpecker noise. See, what you have there is a dead tree. And I've mentioned before, you can't have woodpeckers without dead limbs or dead trees or dead something. If you don't have them in your yard, you won't have a woodpecker. So if you got like a big tree like my trees or something, and you leave a couple dead limbs that aren't gonna fall on anything, and the woodpeckers will make homes and live in your yard. Well, this is not exciting at all, but I'm gonna hang with it. I'd love to catch it in flight. It's huge. If I think it's not one of our woodpeckers, because I couldn't be able to see it. I'm on 5x zoom to see that. Let me show you how far away we are.